Top 10 CSM Training Institutes in Bangalore. It's crucial to understand which training company meets your expectations and helps you achieve your Scrum certification goals. Meanwhile, it's quite difficult to decide which institute is best when there are a few tens of training companies around with different offerings. We have covered the key considerations at the last of this video in deciding the best for you. Don't miss it. Here are top 10 CSM training companies in Bangalore. Star Agile. Star Agile provides 2-day intensive sessions with certification on completion for quick upskilling. Learn from industry expert trainers with over 15 years of experience in Scrum practices. Join a global community of 20 plus countries and 300,000 plus trained professionals for networking and growth. Knowledge Hut. Knowledge Hut provides interactive, real-world simulations, making Scrum concepts easy to master. Access unlimited Scrum enablement sessions to tackle real-life Agile challenges effectively. Benefit from comprehensive job support, including LinkedIn optimization and access to 1,500 plus jobs. Simplilearn. Simplilearn's curriculum includes complimentary Agile courses worth $500 for extensive skill enhancement. Guaranteed live training cohorts each month ensure flexible schedules for all learners. 2-year Scrum Alliance membership provides global networking opportunities in the Scrum community. EizenBridge. EizenBridge offers globally recognized trainers with a 100% certification success rate for CSM aspirants. Enjoy lifetime access to 1,000 plus exclusive resources, including videos and mock tests for preparation. Accelerate your career with additional certifications like Jira, adding immense value to your skill set. Knowledge Academy. The Knowledge Academy provides unbeatable pricing, offering the best value in the marketplace. Experience diverse delivery methods, catering to varied learning styles for maximum flexibility. Engage in an interactive learning model, fostering connections with peers and trainers. Delight Learning. Delight Learning provides a comprehensive understanding of Scrum roles, activities, and artifacts. Expand your career opportunities by adopting Agile and Scrum practices in organizations. Earn a globally recognized certification from Certified Scrum Trainers, CSTs, to showcase your expertise. Exceller. The benefit of XLR is the access to elite certified Scrum trainers from Scrum Alliance. The advantage of XLR is its 100% CSM certification exam pass rate, ensuring exam success. The strength of XLR is its tailored course curriculum, designed by top-notch industry experts. Lean Pitch. Lean Pitch delivers 2-day training by the best certified Scrum trainers, CSTs, for in-depth knowledge. Join a thriving Scrum community of 46,000 members, enabling continuous learning and networking. Access lifetime digital materials and the Scrum Alliance mobile app for on-the-go learning. Simply Access. Simply Access offers cost-effective courses with unmatched quality in Agile and Scrum training. Learners gain flexibility with anytime, anywhere web-based learning options tailored for professionals. Stand out with practical training that equips you to lead teams in dynamic Agile environments. 12 Principles. 12 Principles Consulting offers an exclusive handbook for Scrum Master authored by Naveen Nanjundappa. Enjoy live trainer sessions with limited participants, ensuring an engaging and personalized experience. Benefit from lifetime free updates to the Scrum Master Handbook, keeping you ahead in your career. There are multiple aggregators and resellers, and buying it from them might cost you high and might have fewer benefits. But it's not always true, as some aggregators offer other benefits that no other training company can offer, and there is no difference in delivery as it's always delivered by the same set of CSTs and regardless of where you register. Research thoroughly, as the prices will keep changing and anytime any company might offer you the best price. Try to buy it from the trainer, CST or the organizer company themselves directly for the best price and support, and avoid buying from aggregators or resellers. Candler Digital is a premium one-stop digital portfolio building company with tech, automation, marketing, and content creation in one place. Candler Digital has played a pivotal role in marketing and lead generation for multiple well-known training companies and are expert in building strategies from scratch to a significant level. Their clients cater to companies such as Upgrade Knowledge Hut, Star Agile, Simply Access, Premier Agile, Agile Asia, Learn and Thrive, EduGorilla, Ken42, Inventsci Learning, VLSI First, Scala Singapore, and many more. Candler Digital is a go-to place for training companies looking for proven expertise in building them at minimal investment and the highest ROI. Explore skilldeck.net, the most affordable fully automated tech, operations, and marketing solutions platform for training companies.